Asingeneni hot topic yetu ya namhlanje lalelani. Hi 326 Express. Hi Donna. I'm a lady aged 29. I was raised by a single father. Unfortunately, he passed away 5 years ago. Vaita zvekudriva my trucks, so on certain periods vaindisiya Bamukuru, his older brother and wife. So I remembered on certain occasions ndichirota Bamukuru ava touching me. I think I was 6 years old around that time. Ndaiudza maiguru about my dreams. Asi vaindodza kuti it was just a bad dream. I couldn't tell my father because I was afraid to do so. Fast forward, I am married now with just one child. Bamukuru vangu is sick, vatori bedridden. Last week, he requested to see me ndikatoenda kunovaona. He then confessed to raping me ndiri mwana, manheru ndakarara. Vaindikumbira ruregerero vachiti he thinks that's the reason why he is sick. Soon after that, I started getting flashbacks and remembering that those were not dreams but my reality. I am shattered and broken, and a part of me wants him to pay for what he has done. I did think of reporting him to the police, but nobatsirei because he's as good as dad now. Should I tell my husband? I am lost, Vedari. What can I do for me to feel like I can get justice for myself? You're a hot topic here, namhlanje.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry that happened to you. I'm very sorry that happened to you. The question is, what's the question, Sakile?
What can I do for me to feel like I can get justice for myself?
So these are like years later. This happened when she was around 6, isn't it?
Yeah, and she's 29.
So Mosha, but this man is on his deathbed, presumably.
Yeah.
You know, and what can she do to feel that she has gotten justice for herself? You can let us know. But I'm so sorry that happened to you. 0772162651. Let's find out who's here. Hi, you are live on Star FM.
Hello.
Hi, Maswera Sayu.
Maswera Sayu.
Tasquera.
Yeah, you know what she say.
Singaite.
But nini semfunge wangu wa for an option anogona umbatsira mukati meupenyu hwake mukadzi. Chekutanga nje kuti the moment yaanoita disclose nyaya yozikamwa nemurume and stuff, obviously kumurume chichava something chichamutraumatize for the rest of the life kuti mukadzi wamwe akamborepwa nehama and stuff. And at the same time anozonetsa nemurume futi. Murume anondomuti pamweyo waizviziva asa unawo kuda undoudza. Saka I think nyaya yekuti ataure iyi ngaasiyane nayo.